Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope all are doing fine. So today we will see how to make an easy method of egg biryani. Heat 2 spoons of ghee in a pressure cooker and fry boiled eggs until they are golden brown in color. Don't stir them immediately. Wait for 2 seconds. At this stage, take them out and keep aside. Add few cashew nuts and fry them on a low flame until they are golden brown in color. Add few bay leaves or tej patta. Add few cinnamon sticks. Add one javitri. Add 3 ilaichi or green cardamom. Add 8 cloves. Fry all the ingredients until they are aromatic. Add 2 sliced onions and few green chilies and fry them until onions turn to translucent. Add salt to taste. Add 1 big spoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry until the raw smell disappears. Add 2 teaspoons of garam masala powder. Add 4 spoons of curd. Add 1 spoon of red chili powder. Add a fistful of mint leaves or pudina. Add 3 glasses of water. This is the measurement taken for 1.5 glass of basmati rice, which I have washed and soaked for 1 hour. Check salt, add if needed. Mix well and let it come to a boil. At this stage, add the pre-soaked basmati rice, which is 1.5 glass. Mix well and check the salt once again. Add fried eggs. Close the lid and cook for about 2 whistles. Once the pressure is released, open and mix from the bottom. Yummy egg biryani is ready to serve hot. Serve hot with chilled raita. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click on the bell icon given below for further notifications. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.